Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota Camry LE in ruby flare pearl with the black cloth interior. As far as our options go, we've only got the special color and the paint protection film for a total of $26,558. Gas mileage 28 city, 39 highway, 32 combined. Looking at our wheels, we're riding on Bridgestone tires, and these are going to be these 17-inch alloys we do get on the LE trim. And then coming around back, just your typical LE badging. We do have our switchblade key on this model, so just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. And then with 3 miles, we'll go ahead and stick our key in the ignition and twist to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we have the 2.5 liter Dynamic Force i4. This features D4S direct import fuel injection, making 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic. You do have the hybrid powertrain available, as well as a 3.5 liter V6. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we have that black cloth interior on this model. It's going to be a fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar as well. Checking out your door panel, you do have all your power windows, locks, and mirrors with door storage down below. And then checking out our steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel with our 4-way D-pad for our 4.2-inch TFT display, as well as Bluetooth phone, voice commands, and volume. Over on the right, you do have your cruise control, dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, mode, and seek. Over on the left, automatic LED headlights, as well as your tap to 3 link blinkers and your high beam activation. Over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now coming to your audio system, we'll go ahead and check out the sources on this model. You do have your AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going back to your menu, you also do have your Apple CarPlay projection right there if you'd like to activate that. And of course your apps when you do connect up via Bluetooth. Below that, single zone manual climate control with your fan speed, temperature in your zones right here, recirc AC, and your front and rear defrost. You have your audio inputs as well as a 12 volt down here, with a little bit of storage. And this is going to be that 8-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera on the audio display with cup holders, and a nice padded armrest with plenty of room. Glove box, damped with your owner's manuals and that phone charger down in there. Nice padded and stitched accents on the dash. Manually dimming rearview mirror. You do have your sunglass storage as well as LED map lights and your SOS Safety Connect right up top. Vanity mirror on your sun visor with a little extension as well. And so that wraps it up for the front seat. We'll go ahead and check out the rear. Coming back here, your black cloth does carry through with all of your inserts and accents. And then as well as your door panel material, you do have your padded armrest, automatic window, and door storage. Behind my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of room with plenty of footroom. You also have some storage and a seat mount pocket. And then over here to my right, padded armrest with some cup holders. Belts for 3 back here. Up top you do have plenty of headroom since we don't have a sunroof in this model, and we also do have a dome light up top. Damped cornering handles and coat hooks. Nice view of the dash right there. You can change the theme on your audio display as well. With this being a red and black car, it was changed to the red and black theme. We'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up our video. Coming around back, you do have a rear backup camera on this model, LE badging, and you can open up your trunk with either the button inside or the button on the key. You also do have LED license plate lights with a nice line trunk lit up top with emergency release. Rear seats do fold down 60/40 to expand cargo room even more. Front license plate bracket, and then you do have a temporary spare tire and jack with a little hook that makes it super easy if you were ever to need to use that. Bag hooks on either side also. And so that's just about going to wrap it up for this 2019 Toyota Camry LE in ruby flare pearl with the black cloth interior. Now, if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you are interested in this vehicle, feel free to contact Massey Toyota down in the description below. But once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.